Siberian Husky. Looks like it needs some weight. Got a collar on. Sweet. Hey, baby. Can you sit? Can you sit? Yeah. Can you sit? Sit. Very nice dog. And this is a gorgeous one too. And look at this collar. This is a nice collar. Hey baby, you scared? Can you sit? Can you sit down? Hey sweetheart. I bet they still came in together, but I'm not sure. They both are hungry looking. They've been without groceries a while. Hi babies. And then this little boy right here is sweet. You are sweet, aren't you? Yeah. And then this mama here, I mean, I don't know what's going on. Is she divorced or something? She's just got massive, her milk is just way too full. And she's growling, but I think it's probably because she just doesn't know what in the world is going on. And she's probably very miserable. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Okay, pretty, we've got to get you out of there. We've got to get you out. And you need out too, because you are gorgeous. Look at you. And then we have no cats today. Hey, sweetheart. Yeah. This is the golden. It's pregnant. This little black lab won't even hardly look at me. This one has done nothing but growl. And then this fella's really cute. Let me see your face. That's cute. You're cutie.